welcome to our channel Neha and Johan. Today I am going to do a cat vlog. Cat vlog.
One eternity later.
Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Neha and Johan. Today I am going to do a cat vlog. So why I am doing this vlog? Because my favorite cat just gave birth to 3 cute kittens first time. The name of this cat is Mikey. Every day when I go out to play with my friends, we see this cat and we always play with it. We feed it. So let's go and see this cat and her kittens. This is Mikey and these are her kittens. They live in a box. Mikey is watching over her kittens every day and I'm going to touch her and she's really friendly and she don't scratch us or anything when we touch her. Hope you all enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Side post.